Hi everybody, this is Zoe Black from Costa Rica. Today, well, almost every day there's like a thunderstorm, and I'm out here hanging in the rainforest in a hammock, and as you can tell, surrounded by some beautiful things. This is my third day here, and today actually I am heading out to Kawita, which will take about 2 buses, and I'll be in a little Caribbean town, pretty much in the black part of Costa Rica. Gonna hang out there, go to the beach, eat some great food, and head back to where I am right now and think about what type of greenhouse we're going to build. And I'll be able to let you look at the space on another day when it's not raining as much, and it's actually right behind me where we're going to build the greenhouse. So thanks for coming along on my journey, and I'll be in touch.